In the midst of uncertainty, when the path ahead seems shrouded in darkness, it's natural to feel lost, to feel as though the solutions are out of reach. But in those moments of doubt, there is a beacon of hope, a guiding light that illuminates the way forward. I don't see the solution, we may say. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Yet, amidst the uncertainty, there's a steadfast belief, a profound conviction that resonates within. Indeed, my Lord is with me, and He will guide me through. It's during these moments of surrender, when we place our trust in the divine, that miraculous paths begin to unfold. For Allah has promised that even amidst the seemingly impossible, He will make a way. Just as He split seas for Musa, peace be upon him, so too will He carve a path for us through the tumultuous waters of life. Have you ever felt trapped, engulfed by the weight of your circumstances? Like Musa, many of us have stood before our own metaphorical Red Seas, unable to see a way out. But in those moments, where fear threatens to consume us, where despair threatens to overpower us, it's not the obstacle itself that holds us captive. Rather, it's our focus, our perception, that shapes our reality. When we fixate on the barrier, it looms larger, more daunting with each passing moment. Yet Musa's resolute conviction serves as a beacon of inspiration. No, he declares, by no means will we be overtaken. For his faith was not in his own strength or in his ability to overcome, but in the unwavering presence of the divine. In times of certainty, it's easy to place our trust in Allah when the path forward is clear. But true faith blossoms in the midst of uncertainty, in the face of the unknown. It's when we take that leap of faith, when we surrender our fears and uncertainties, that Allah's guidance becomes manifest. So let us shift our focus from the barriers that surround us to the one who holds the key to our salvation. For indeed, He is with us, guiding us through every trial and tribulation. And just as He parted the sea for Musa, so too will He part the oceans of despair in our own lives, leading us towards the shores of hope and redemption. For with faith as our compass, there is no obstacle too great, no challenge too daunting. For indeed, Allah is the ultimate guide, leading us ever closer to His divine grace. Indeed, my Lord is with me, and He will guide me through.